It is also clear from the foregoing that whatever is predicated of God and other things is not said according to pure equivocation, as things which are equivocal by chance. For in those things which are equivocal by chance, no order or respect is observed of one to the other. But it is entirely by accident that one name is attributed to different things. For the name imposed on one does not mean that it has order to another. But it is not so with the names which are spoken of God and of creatures. For in the community of names of this kind, the order of the cause and the caused is considered, as is clear from what has been said. Therefore nothing is predicated of God and other things according to pure equivocation. Further, where there is a pure equivocation, no similarity in things is attended to, but only the unity of the name. Now there is a kind of similitude of things to God, as is clear from what has been said above. It is therefore left that they are not said of God according to pure equivocation. Again, when one of several is predicated according to pure equivocation, we cannot be led from one of them to the knowledge of another. For the knowledge of things does not depend on words, but on the reason of names. Now from these things which are found in other things, we arrive at the knowledge of the divine, as is clear from what has been said. Therefore it is not according to pure equivocation that such things are said about God and other things. Still, the ambiguity of the name hinders the process of argumentation. If therefore nothing were said about God and creatures except purely equivocally, no argument could be made by proceeding from creatures to God, the contrary of which is evident from all who speak of the divine. Further, in vain is any name predicated of anyone, unless by that name we understand something of him. But if names are spoken of God and of creatures absolutely equivocally, we understand nothing of God by those names, since the meanings of those names are known to us only according to what they are said of creatures. It would therefore be said or proved of God that God is a being, good, or if there is anything else of this kind. But if it is said that by these names alone we know of God what is not, that is to say that it is said to be living because it is not of the class of inanimate things and so of other things, at least it will be necessary that what has been said about God and creatures living must agree with the negation of the inanimate, and so it will not be purely equivocal.